to start online classes of mathematics class 12. In this session we start first topic, relation, and first of all we define relation. What is relation, types of relations, and domain and range of the relations, and some examples based on different types of relations. Now let us start. First we define relation. What is relation? Let A and B be the two sets. We take non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. If A comma B is a member of a relation R, then we say that A is in the relation R to B, and we write it as A comma B belongs to R or A R B. A is related to B. Now also symbolically we can write it as R is the set of A comma B such that A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B, or and A R B. A is related to B. Now first of all, now we define A cross B. How to find A cross B of two sets? Suppose A is the non-empty set and B is the another non-empty sets. How to find A cross B? Let A is equal to set 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 1, 2, 3. Then A cross B is equal to 1, 2, 3 cross 1, 2, 3. Therefore, A cross B is equal to set of 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Similarly, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Again from 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 into 3, 9 elements total. This is the A cross B. Now we define relation on this A cross B. Since we know that relation is a subset of A cross B, we define any relation, then find the relation R from A to B given by A R B if A is less than B. This is the relation. On this ground we have to establish relation on these conditions. A less than B. A means member of elements A and B means member of elements member of sets B. Now we define relation on this basis of conditions. On the given conditions, A less than B. A means the first A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Similarly here we establish a relation 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. 1 is less than 2, 1 is less than 3, 2 is less than 3, A less than B, A less than B, A less than B, where A1 belongs to set A and also A belongs to set A, 2 belongs to set A and 2 belongs to set B, 3 belongs to set B, 3 belongs to set B. This is the relation on the given condition, and therefore this is relation from A to B. This is the relation from A to B on the basis of this condition. Now we define the domain domain and range of the relation. Domain of relation means domain of relation means set of all first coordinates. Domain of relation means set of all first coordinate elements of R here. Domain of R is equal to first coordinate of R 1 1 2 1 2. This is the domain of relation R. Similarly, range of relation means set of all second coordinates elements of R. Here domain of R is equal to set of second coordinate. Here we see that the second coordinate of R is 2 3 3. The only 2 and 3, double 3 not applicable. 2 and 3, 2 3, 2 3. This is the range of range of R. Range of R is equal to 3. Okay. Another, we consider types of relations. Number 1, a reflexive relation. Next, symmetric relation. Third, transitive relation. Fourth, equivalence relation. Another type of relation is also here, antisymmetric. Six, empty relation. Seventh, universal relation. And last is identity relation. In next class, I will discuss one by one types of relations and with examples.